I have to admit that I was wrong about the law of attraction and manifestation, and I am sorry, guys. But this doesn't mean that manifestation doesn't work. It does. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about the scientific evidence of manifestation and how it actually works. Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. I'm happy to see you here. My name is Uliana. So yes, in this video I'm gonna talk about the science behind manifestation and why it actually works. So I've spent some time searching for any researchers about manifestation and the law of attraction, and if this whole concept is actually scientifically proven or not. Is it real? This was my question. And I have two news for you. The first one is bad and the second one is good. I want to start with the bad one just because it's shorter. So the concept of the law of attraction that is based on quantum physics is not scientifically proven. And Wikipedia says it's even a pseudoscience, which means it looks like a science, but isn't actually scientifically proven. I know I was also disappointed, and I still feel a bit of disappointment, but that's the fact. And now let's come to the good news. The good news is that manifestation is scientifically proven, but from the side of psychology. The psychological effect of manifestation is proven. It's proven that manifestation can improve your life, or can help you improve your life, but it can also help you ruin your life and make it worse. That's why I would highly recommend you to watch this video, to continue watching this video, and I would also be happy if you could send this video to your skeptical friends, because in this video I'm gonna break out all the scientific evidence I could find, or at least most of the scientific evidence I could find on the law of attraction and manifestation. But first, what I want to tell you is that in this video and in all my future videos that are about manifestation and the law of attraction, I'm talking about manifestation, which means you manifest something and then you stand up and go do the things to help you reach your goal. I'm not talking about manifestation where you just manifest something and then you sit on your chair or wherever you want to sit and wait for your wish come true. This doesn't work out. But if you are gonna manifest something and then stand up and work hard to achieve your goals, then this will work out. This is the right way to manifest. And I want you to stop believing all the coaches and social media influencers, whoever it is, that tell you can manifest things and make your life better just with writing things down and wishing for them come true. No, you can't. This is not the way it's gonna work out. At least it isn't scientifically proven. I don't know, maybe you've done some other experiences, but this is not scientifically proven. The approach that I'm gonna tell you about is scientifically proven. So let's get started. And by the way, I will also link all the sources that I have used for this research into the description box, so feel free to check them out. And I'm also gonna use my iPad in this video just because I have so many notes there that are gonna help me. Number one, if you believe you can achieve something, you are more willing to work hard towards your goal. If you believe you can become, I don't know, a lawyer, you are more motivated to work hard towards your goal. You cannot become a lawyer just by writing this down on a paper and then just waiting for your, I don't know, diploma or whatever it is. I have no idea what lawyers actually get in order to become a lawyer, but you have to study in order to become a lawyer. By just manifesting, you won't become a lawyer. We know this. But if you are going to manifest this and then you are going to study, you will be more motivated to become a lawyer, and therefore you will become a lawyer. This is how it works. Become a lawyer, and therefore you will become a lawyer. This is how it works. And for example, if you wouldn't believe you can become a lawyer, you wouldn't be that motivated to put the hard work into this, and you will probably stop doing this just because I know it's hard to become a lawyer. I know this studies is hard, and therefore you will, if you think you are not able to become a lawyer, why would you want to work hard on this goal? I don't think you will. And by the way, all the things I'm gonna tell you, they sound logical. Like, I think the thing I've just told you sounds logical to you. Like, you do not have to put effort in to understand this. For me, it was hard to understand this concept of quantum physics and so on, and it was just something that I had to believe in. But here, when I tell you, if you think you are gonna succeed, then you are more likely to succeed just because you are more likely to put an effort in this, to work harder. You will be way more motivated. This sounds logical. To me, it sounds very logical. And I think this is like a big... I'm sorry, my dog is snoozing right here. I don't want to wake her up, so all those crazy sounds that you cannot understand, they come from her. So I think this is a big red flag when you hear some concept that doesn't seem logical to you, that you have to put an effort in order to believe in this. Like, you do not understand this, you rather believe in this. And this is a red flag. I understood this yesterday when I was, or the day before yesterday, when I was searching for researchers and since the science behind manifestation. And actually this explanation is scientifically proven. The research from Dr. Carol Dweck, who is a psychology professor at Stanford University, shows that believing you can do something makes it more likely that you will successfully do it. This is called growth mindset. I'm gonna make a separate video about this, but this is the short form, the short explanation of the growth mindset. Now I'm gonna quote, "Importantly, this research suggests that if we truly believe we can achieve something, we are willing to do the hard work to achieve it." That's just what I told you. The second point is the self-fulfilling prophecy, which basically means, for example, when you wake up in the morning and you're in a bad mood and you think this day is gonna be awful, you are more likely to do things that will make your day awful. And you are also more likely to take neutral circumstances as negative ones. And for example, if you wake up and you feel good and you slept well and you think this day is gonna be great, you are more likely to do things that will make your day great. You are more likely to take neutral circumstances as neutral circumstances or as something positive. You are also more attentive to all the positive things that happened to you in this day. And if you think this day is going to be awful, you are also more attentive to the things that are negative. Sounds also logical, isn't it? And I think this is something we all had at least once. I'm pretty sure. Now I'm also gonna quote, indeed, research shows that if we are already feeling bad, if we are anxious, for example, we are more likely to interpret neutral circumstances in an anxiety-provoking way. We literally see bad things that don't exist. This a lot about attention and just how we interpret things depending on our mood and our condition. Now I'm going to talk about the positive mindset and positive thinking. The research by Dr. Sonia Lyubomirsky, she's a professor in the Department of Psychology at the University of California and also an author of the bestseller The How of Happiness, a scientific approach to getting the life you want, has shown that happiness leads to success and not the other way around. People who are generally happy and positive attract more opportunities, have better relationships, and seem to be able to manifest what they set their minds to more easily. And you have already seen in your life, we are more likely to, and we are more willing to interact with people who are positive rather than with people who are negative, who are always in a bad mood and always unhappy and so on. And therefore, positive people attract way more opportunities, way more new people, and new people also bring new opportunities and so on. And also they tend to have better relationship just because they are positive. They interpret a lot of things in a positive way, for example. And I think this is something you already know. And now I'm even gonna talk about the law of attraction, but not from the side of quantum physics, but from the side of psychology. So you actually attract what you believe in just because this reflects in your actions and body language. And therefore, if you believe in something positive and you are a positive person, we all know those people. If you are a positive person, you will also attract something positive into your life just because of your actions and your body language and the way how you interpret things and the way how you interact with people. You see, there's no magic. Zero magic. And the next point is that when we focus on something, for example, try to focus on, I don't know, let's say green Mercedes. Just just think about it, imagine it in your mind how green Mercedes looks like, and I promise you, you will, in the next maybe 84 hours, see a lot of green Mercedes, at least more than one green Mercedes. And you know why? Just because our brain will start to pay attention on them. Have you ever seen green Mercedes? I bet you did. But you didn't pay attention to them. But now, when you have focused on them and you are wishing to see them, your brain will start paying attention to them. It will be way more attentive to them as if it was before you have focused on them. And this is why this magically happens. When you wish something, you start to see a lot of signs. I'm gonna give you my example. My boyfriend and I are going to move to Hamburg just because I love this most beautiful city in the whole world, or at least among the cities I've been to. I think it's the most beautiful city. That's why now, for at least I see a lot of cars from Hamburg. Like every day, I see a lot of cars that are from Hamburg. But actually, this is not a sign. This is just because I think about this all the time, and my brain just pays attention to everything that can be associated with this city. This is how it works. Also, no magic. Zero magic. Another explanation of this is confirmation bias, which means the tendency to search for, interpret and favor and recall information in a way that supports one's prior beliefs or values, or the things you are looking for. This also seems logical, isn't it? We are coming to the end of this video, but there is also something about our our brains and mirror neurons. I'm not sure about the pronunciation, I'm sorry. Anyway, about the neuroscience and the science about our brains, there is also something that should prove manifestation and manifestation effect and so on, that it works. But I couldn't find yet the best explanation of it. That's why I'm gonna make a separate video about this when I will be ready to make this, just because I wanna still take some more time to research this. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful and the skeptic inside of you is now happy with this explanation and with this science behind of manifestation. And as I told you, it's just all about positive thinking and the growth mindset, and this is all actually psychology. This has actually nothing to do with physics, quantum physics, whatever. It's just because of psychology and motivation and our positive and growth mindset. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and to give me a like, and also leave a comment about what you think on this science behind this and if you are gonna manifest. Thanks for watching this video.